Meaning of garbed.
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 Garbed. The word garbed means dressed in particular clothing or attire. It is often used to describe someone who is wearing formal or ceremonial clothing, such as a priest or a judge. When someone is said to be garbed in a certain way, it suggests that their clothing is an important part of their identity or role. For example, a bride might be described as garbed in a white wedding dress, while a soldier might be garbed in camouflage gear. The use of the word garbed helps to create a vivid image of someone's appearance and the context in which they are dressed.